Alright, so what we're looking at here is the clutch pack assembly. We decided we had to go at this a second time because our existing flywheel had a little bit of movement in it, which we didn't think was acceptable with some testing. So we're going again with a different off-the-shelf OEM replacement clutch pack, and we had to do some customization for our application. What you see here in the middle here, this is a release bearing for the clutch. It's hydraulically driven. This is a standoff. You can see our shaft here in the center, and then our ring gear assembly for starter, the starter for startup, and your flywheel here. So originally our flywheel had a dual mass setup, and now we put that into the clutch pad, which you can't see, it's inside of here, and that has the springs for damping. And so on the outside we'll just have a solid mass for our flywheel. And that's our assembly.